Good morning, friends. Guess what I have? I have a container of water. We're going to play a game. It's called Sink or Float. Some things, when you put them in the water, stay at the top. Some things sink to the bottom. We're going to do we're going to do some guessing and find out what things float on top and what things sink to the bottom. Let's try it. The first thing I have is a ping pong ball. What do you think? Do you think it'll sink or it will float? It's floating. Let's keep trying. And look, I have a penny. Do you think it'll sink or float? Oh, wow, you really can't see that very well. Now you can a little better. It just went straight to the bottom very quickly. I have a marker. Do you think it'll sink or float? It's on top. It's floating. I have a rock. Do you think it'll sink or float? Oh, wow. Did you hear that? It just went straight to the bottom. It sunk. There it is. Well, I have a spoon. Sink or float? Oh, wow. It went straight to the bottom. Can you see it? I have a piece of paper. That might be a little tricky. Well, I'm going to try and make it sink. Right now it's on the top. It's still on the top, but it's sinking slowly. Can you see? It looks like it's going to float first, but then it starts to sink. What about this block of wood? Sink or float? It's floating just like a boat. Hey, float and boat rhyme. I have one more thing. This is a tiny piece of aluminum foil. What do you think? Sink or float? Well, it's a little hard to see because it's so tiny, but it's on top. It's floating, and look, that paper has sunk to the bottom. It did not float. Well, that's it for today. Maybe you have some ideas on things that sink or float, and maybe you can tell me that. Maybe you could do this experiment at home. Have a great day, friends.